Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration. We are on site downtown Detroit. Some amazing things are going on. We have new construction, we have new developments like the Hudson site, like the new developments going on in Corktown. We have some amazing new buildings going up here. The people of Detroit, their heart is in it. We are here, we're part of the revitalization, not only the revitalization, but we're part of the restoration of Detroit. We're here today tuck pointing. This is the side of Simmons and Clarke. Simmons and Clarke has been around since 1925. They're a staple in our community, and we're here to make sure that their building is going to last the next test of time. What we're here doing is we're doing miscellaneous brick repair. So it doesn't matter whether you have a 20-story building, you have a 40-foot deep basement, you have a miscellaneous repair job. We're here today to bring the value back, to bring and show you that we're here no matter the size of your project, that we would love to earn your business. Whether you're looking for a simple chimney rebuild, tuck pointing, porch repair, you're looking to extend the size of your building, put new doorways in, we're the masonry contractor that you can count on. Give us a call at 586-868-3234.